Hi guys, so today I am going to be doing a Soulmia haul. I am doing this a vlog style. Well, a few of the outfits I'm going to be showing you, I am going to be in different places, some in this room, but I thought it would be more personable if I got on here first and did an intro and kind of did it vlog style instead of sitting down all formal. I don't know why, I just like to change it up. But anyways, yeah, if you guys have never heard of them before, they have a lot of really cute pieces. Not only do they have like really nice like floral pattern dresses and just very aesthetic clothing, they also have like redone Y2K clothing, which is obviously why I am doing a haul for them, because some of the pieces I picked up are girly, fun, and then some of them have that Y2K twist. And also I am reviewing some shoes, so I'm happy about that. Last time I didn't do shoes, so I am really excited to talk about it. But yeah, if you're interested in the clothing from the thumbnail, or if you follow me on Instagram, then you would have seen some of the clothing pieces. Then just keep watching.
So the first outfit right here is just this burgundy floral dress. I love it. It's definitely perfect for fall, but to end the summer with. I love the slit on the side and the bows and the ruching in the chest area. It's just a very, very flattering dress. It goes just above my ankles. I was filming a lot of this footage by myself, so you can't really see the bottom too much, but everything will be linked below if you are interested in this dress right here. But I just love the ruching in the chest. It just really pulls everything together and shows off your curves. And like I said, this will be great for the end of summer and beginning of fall transition. So I love this dress a lot. Well, that was the first outfit I wanted to show you guys, but I was super excited for that one. The next one is definitely more of like an Italian summer type of outfit. I was so excited for this one, but unfortunately the bottoms are super see-through. Like, I'm wearing a bikini underneath just because, yeah, I want to keep this PG-13. But the top is cute. It's just the sleeves are a bit big, so they kept like falling off. But unfortunately, the bottoms are very, very see-through, but I still think this is a cute outfit. You just have to make sure you wear light underwear or just like a slip underneath. Since it's so long, I feel like that is best, but I feel like golden hour, this outfit is gonna be super cute. You could wear it with a necklace like me, do your hair curled. This was filmed at like 6 in the morning, so I was exhausted, but I still filmed this part for you guys. And I paired it with these shoes as well. Also, every single thing that I'm showing you guys is from Soulmia. So even the shoes, I love these shoes. They went perfect with the outfit. I love that they're little pumps and they're really great to walk in. So they were adorable. Now this one right here was my favorite outfit out of all of them that I'm going to show you guys, just because it's super Y2K. And I just love that it's velvety and the little mini skirt. It sucks because summer's over and I don't think I can wear this in the fall at all, but at least I have some fire fits for the next year. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you about this one right here. I'm going to start vlogging in a bit and talking. So I randomly break from voiceover here in just a second.
This one's my favorite. I know it's weird because I didn't talk with every single one, but it's just because like I'm feeling this one the most. I feel like it's the most my style. I love that you can pair it with little butterfly clips. I love the little rhinestone heart. It's very 2000s, and then the little slit in the skirt just makes it extra perfect.
These shoes are like Dolly schoolgirl shoes, Mary Jane shoes. I love these. Like I said, I am collecting clothing for Japan whenever I do go. I'm crazy and like to collect stuff, even if it's gonna happen years from now. I just hope I fit into them, but I'll always fit in shoes. So these are gonna be super adorable. They're comfortable and easy to walk in.
I don't know if I'm gonna include this yet, but We are at the beach, and I thought for this haul I would shoot some of the outfits out here, which I'm not going to be able to do all of them because I didn't want to pack all that. It's just like a one-day trip, but that would add a little bit of vlog footage, kind of end the summer that way. I know last summer I uploaded a beach vlog, so I think I would kind of do the same now. But yeah, we're on our way to the beach, and I'll probably get footage of the bathing suit. Everything is in the beginning of the video. If you want to watch the vlog, you just stay till the end. But yeah, this is where I'm going to get the bikini footage. But I will see you guys there.
I did pick up one swimsuit because it is the end of the summer and I wanted to test out their swimsuits, and this one right here is just a tie-dye pink swimsuit. I know I have it like more hiked up on one side. I was just like in a rush to film this portion, but I really like the bustier cupping and the tie-dye, and the bathing suit held up very well, but I would size up in the bra area just because you can have a slip up if it's not sized properly. But the swimsuit was an A+. I loved it. I shot lots of pictures in it. Then I picked up these sandals. You'll see more of the sandals in this right here is also with a dress. This dress I was so excited to wear. It's super beachy and beautiful. I got a lot of love on IG. And with the shoes, it's just a perfect match. I love these sandals. I shouldn't have brought them to the beach though, because unfortunately they did get scuffed because I kept bumping my feet into wood and all that stuff, which sucks because I really was so excited to wear these shoes for the long haul, but it happens. They are sandals, so you have to be careful. Just a fair warning. But this dress is super cute. I love how it's backless, like so. But yeah, that is it for the clothing. So enjoy the haul and see the links down below.
So I didn't get that much footage at the beach today.
Hard.
It's too hard. I know you guys know this already, but I am not a good vlogger. And we're gonna go out to eat, and I'll vlog a little bit of that when I can. What are you doing? Where are you?
Well, I don't know what I'll get. I'll have to see the menu.
Anything fish related?
I think someone wants it.
You ready to go?
Yep.
So now we're gonna go eat. We just took some footage of my dress. We're starving. I haven't had a single thing today. I've had like
Smell it already.
chips. I've had chips, that's all I've had. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. And then we're right next to Lexington. I don't know how many of you guys are from Texas,
USS
but
Lexington.
we love the Lexington. It's one of the very first places we went together. Right, Brian?
Right.
Really nice night out tonight. Look at the bridge. Wow. Oh shit. Almost fell right now. Yep, that always seems to happen to me. They're playing White Snake. Probably gonna get copyrighted for this. I have to turn it off now. Grabbing dinner at this cute little spot here. I think we're both gonna get the same thing, right?
Yeah.
If you can even hear us. Yep. Did you put that tartar sauce in my bag again?
Tartar sauce in the
Stop.
bag.
Good morning. Oh, why do I look like a vampire? Bren, you have to see this. I look like a vampire. Let's see if you look like one. Look at me. Why does my face look whiter than yours? You're actually white.
Get some more red.
I think it's because I have a full face of sunblock on. I did put it down my neck and right here, so why isn't it white right here? I just have a really white face, guys. Like, when I was born, a quick story, they said that I was Snow White because I have naturally black hair, and I was like all white, but I think that I'm always protecting my face with sunscreen, and I do, like, daily I put sunscreen on my face and neck, but I will admit that daily I don't put it on my shoulders or anything because that's usually just a beach thing for me. But my shoulders and like the rest of my body like are all tan. Just doesn't look good. But it's okay because I fix it with foundation. But today I'm not wearing makeup because I'm actually gonna just enjoy the beach and not just like sit there and take content or anything. But yeah, just checking in. Day 2, we're leaving today. I have to work tomorrow, so yeah. I look crazy right now because you saw me full glam yesterday. It is what it is. But yeah, we're gonna get breakfast and then go to the beach. So we'll check in a bit. Whoa, it's all fogged up. This is the last day we're at the beach. It's super hot today. But this is the bikini from the video. So bright.
Waves are in full force today. We're gonna go in a little bit, so.
Hey guys, so I am trying sake, but I think this one's just straight up. Like, I was about to buy like the Sakura sake, the pink one, and I should have because I don't like this. I'm just trying to prepare myself for Japan if I ever get to go. Oh my god, crazy story. I was in the water and the currents are like really high right now, and I just got swept away by a wave and got like dunked underwater and thrashed around, and I like inhaled so much water, so I'm sitting out for the day. Like, I've been reading this book called After about near-death experiences, and it just kind of reminds me of that one time when I was a kid when I almost drowned, and I've had almost 3 times where I've almost drowned, so it just like brought me back to that. I'm like, I'm gonna chill here, enjoy the water because I love water, but I don't know, just kind of like scared me a bit, but I'm just gonna sit here. He's building a trench right now.
The water doesn't come up and get us.
You heard me the entire time?
Yeah.
I just zoomed into your butt.
I know, good.
I pet a really cute dog, and it was a pit, a baby pit, and his name was Blue, like my dog. Well, I mean, he doesn't live with me anymore, but with my dad. It was so cute. It makes me want a puppy, but with my dog passing, like, nearly, like, a month and a half ago, like, I just can't go through that right now. Like, you just never know, but enjoyed just a little bit of vlogging footage. I don't know if you can hear me. It looked crazy. Got my hair wet and I just freshly colored it. But I will see you guys in the next video.